Adventurers, welcome to Taum Sauk Mountain in the Ozarks. We're going to head to the highest point in Missouri. Alright adventurers, here we are at the official Taum Sauk overlook. So these are the Ozark Mountains, all out see before you. And Taum Sauk Mountain is the highest in in Missouri. This is just a viewpoint. The high point is a little ways over there, and it's a little bit of a short hike. So let's go. All right, found a parking spot. Started my hike. There's a lot of people here, a lot more than I anticipated. Our next stop is Sauk Falls, 1.2 miles. I swear, it's like you never know. At the entrance, it said 1.2 miles to Sauk Falls. I walked probably like a quarter of a mile, and there was another sign, 1.2 miles to Sauk. And then I walked another quarter mile, and there's a sign, Sauk Falls, 3-mile loop. I don't know what I'm getting into here. Okay, it's not really what I expected from a blip on the map, but here's Sauk Falls. I'll try to show all of it. Alright, so Sauk Falls was kind of a disappointment. There was really no water flowing over it at all. Beautiful area though, and quite a lot of views on the hike to get here. Yeah, it was actually a beautiful hike, but then again it was all downhill. Now I have to go 1.2 miles uphill. So let's go. And we got our last stop. Beautiful. Beautiful. Mount Taum Sauk, highest point in Missouri. 1,772 feet. Number 9. Done. Alright. High point number 9. I'm willing to bet Illinois is going to be next. And don't quote me on that, but I'm just willing to bet. Anyway, It's a gorgeous area. I'm pretty much back at the car. This is right at the beginning. I just went to the Sauk Falls to make it feel like I had to hike to the Highpoint. But I actually passed it on the way in. Anyway, thanks for coming with me, guys. Get outside, have some happy trails, subscribe, and join me next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.